Bro, people are making money online this easy. Check out these steps real quick. Let's get to it. Whew. So you're trying to make money online. Let's simplify this. Who's the audience? Select your audience first. Who's your audience? Who are they? What are their pain points and why are you selecting them? All right. Once you got that locked, you move on to step two. Step two is now find a product that these people actually need and want. Okay, cool. Product or service. So now that you got the product or service locked down for your audience, now you're going to go into figure out the best way to market to these people, be it social media, some sort of paid advertising, whatever the case is. So you have your audience locked down, you know their pain points, this, that, and the other. You have your product or service locked down. Now you have the means to put this product or service in front of these people, and you kind of let the rest do its thing. So this is very oversimplified, but it's literally that process. So click the link. It should send you to my blog, read through, click links, take notes. And that's basically it. So like and follow. Let's get it. Peace.